This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The units have variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as R32. They have durable stainless steel heat exchangers, with the PDD4 and PGR5 models having very good lifetime warranties, while the basic PGD4 model only has a 15-year warranty, which is not as good as many brands. The PGD4 models combine a basic single-stage 13.4 SEER2 air conditioner with a basic single-stage gas furnace, while the premium PHD4 units combine a basic heat pump with the single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The premium PGR5 models, part of their QuietComfort series, feature two-stage models with a 16 SEER2 cooling efficiency and an 81% AFUE gas furnace. The QuietComfort Series PHR5 models are ultimate gas packs with a two-stage heat pump combined with a two-stage gas furnace. The Performance Series units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil from damage due to hail, while the QuietComfort Series models use louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil, which provides superior protection. The warranty on the QuietComfort models includes a no-hassle replacement guarantee in case the heat exchanger, compressor, or coils fail within 5 years of installation. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.